my fibre friends, hope you're all well. Well, today I've had a little delivery, a little one, just a teeny weeny delivery from Deramores. So let's open it up and see what I've got. So hope all is well with you. We've had a busy week, and managed to get a lot of crocheting done. So I'll show you that at another time. 2 bags. Got to be careful we don't cut my yarn. At least it's one thing I will say about Deramores, they do pack their yarn really well. So let me see what we've got, because I can't for the life of me remember what I bought. Oh, King Cole 4-ply. Look at that. That is called Silver, and it's baby 4-ply. I'll just hold it up for you and I'll read it. It's shade 3171 Silver. It's made here in the UK. Made in Turkey under license for King Cole. 100% premium acrylic. 440 yards, 400 meters. 40-degree wash. No iron, no bleach, and a cool tumble dry. 3.25 meter US 3 needles and crochet hook. But oh, it's so soft. It's really nice and soft. It feels lovely. So I think I've got 5 of them. I know I've got 5 of each. And then I bought it in pink as well. It's the same information, the big value it is. This is pink, not a lovely shade of pink. So this is going on me 4-ply shelf. And then I got peach. I'll get one out and show you. The reason I got the peach and the silver. What do you think of those two together? Do they look nice together? I really like peach and grey together. So I've got them. So I've got 5 of those as well. And then last but not least, oh, there's my other ball of silver. And then I've got the baby blue as well. Blue ice it's called. But even that would look nice with the silver, wouldn't it? So that's my yarn haul. I like King Cole. I've used King Cole many times when I was knitting and that, when I knitted baby clothes and stuff like that. But I love working with 4-ply and double knit. They're my favourites. And cotton. I love cotton. Working with cotton as well. So yeah, that's my little yarn haul from Deramores. I'll put the link in the description box below. Before I sign off, I just want to welcome all my new subscribers. Hello and welcome, and I hope you enjoy watching my videos. We have first Tuesday of every month we have a giveaway, and the last Tuesday of the month I announce the winner. The Tuesdays in between are like yarn hauls or things I want to chit chat about. Thursday is tutorial Thursdays, and Sunday, even though is my crochet vlog, where I talk about anything and everything, what's going on in my life, show you my whips, show you finished projects if I've finished any. So they're every Sunday for you. So Once again, thank you ever so much to each and every one of you who support me in my channel. I do so much appreciate it. And I'm going to sign off for now, and I'll catch you all again real soon. Bye bye for now.